Okay, so today I have the Pickled Steel Rhino here. I've been carrying this knife with me for the past week now, and there's not much to say. I don't really do the review things on knife, as you guys know. I'm just a abuser or user, whatever floats your boat, whatever you want to call me. Okay, but so on this knife I just have to give a little bit of review of personal opinion. As for me personally, I have, well, when I received the knife, my boss went absolutely crazy about this knife. He loves it, he loves the design, he loves everything on this knife. I have a friend here in Alisaras as well. He goes on social media by the name Riverside Bass Fishing. You'll maybe notice him on the group sometimes. I know you have an orange one, and he received it I think a while back. He also loved the knife, he loved the design. For me personally, it's a bit of the ugly duckling in the range. Sorry Miguel, I hope you don't take offense, but there is a but after it. Once I had this knife in my hands and I start carrying it and using it, it becomes very pretty very quickly on a different type of opinion. The rounding on this micarta gives it a bit of almost like a fat carbon feel in the hands, and obviously, as you know, Pickled Steel's micarta is just absolutely anti-slip resistant. It's amazing. I love that. But yeah, the way this knife is designed in the hand, whether you want to take it to push cut something, whether you want to take it for precision working, whether you want to stab something, it's super amazing. It's like a machine, like a bulldozer or a grader. It's not pretty next to a Ferrari, but it's built for a purpose, and that is exactly what this knife is. After the week of carrying it, I just simply fell in love with it. And as you guys know, I'm a mechanic /autolec. I strip wires, I pry plugs, I abuse knives, and I use them, whether it's Damascus handmade, whether it's store-bought knives. I'm a guy, I carry every single knife. I use them, I abuse them, and I test them, as you know. As you can see, I went a bit crazy on this thing before I started the video, and the tip and everything is just it's just holding up. I didn't think that this 40C 28-inch steel was gonna hold up to this against the D2. It's the first knife in this steel that I tasted from Pickled Steel yet. Like I said, I'm just simply amazed. I didn't think it was gonna hold up like the D2, but this knife is just it's awesome. I'm not gonna do any slicing tests today, as I have a bit of rolled edges from obviously what I was doing now, and yeah, it's still had the factory edge. I worn it off a bit throughout the week, and I'm gonna give it a hand edge, and then we will see for a bit of slicing and cutting tests in the future. I have some I used in my previous videos, my heavy duty safety belt / cargo belt, whatever you want to call it, and this stuff is tough. It's not like a normal car safety belt, it's tough. So yeah, as you can see, the knife is a bit dull at this stage. Just to show you, even with the toothy edge, this stuff, it's hard, it's the real deal. So yeah, let's see, when I have some time to throw the knife on the stone, I'll get to that and I'll do that cutting tests for you, and then we'll see how the steel holds up next to the D2 I tested in the past. So cheers out, enjoy your day. I hope I didn't make too much of you cry tonight.